Tight hamstrings, back pain often go hand in hand. Guys, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about a progression based off the standard Jefferson curl. Now, what we're working on today is one, building robustness and building mobility and earning mobility as you move into that forward flexion, which is going to impact you greatly, taking a lot of pressure off the back, making the back stronger so that you're more comfortable with being in more of a flex spine posture, right? But also helping to bulletproof your back from a future injury and take away a lot of the pain and stiffness that you tend to have through that posterior chain, whether it be in the hamstrings, whether it be in the low back, right? Trying to get you more mobile, more robust, more bulletproof, so that you can continue to move well, perform well, and continue to crush it in the gym and in life on a daily basis. So, guys, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. But if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Remember, this is your daily body armor. I'm Tank, coming at you with another way to bulletproof your body and be your best self. So remember, we come at you 7 days a week. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Don't miss it because, hey, you want to be training when you're 90. We're going to help you get there. So first things first, right? We're going to do a progression off of the standard Jefferson curl today. So what we're going to do is we're going to elevate the toes. Okay, we're going to elevate the toes to actually add stretch through that posterior line of tissue. Okay, through that line of tissue that runs all the way from the bottom of the feet all the way up through the back of the head. This is going to intensify the mobility through the calves, through the hamstrings, through that back, right, and work on getting you more range of motion and more mobility. So you're going to put your toes up on a plate. You're going to tuck the chin, keeping the legs straight, and you're going to roll your spine down, trying to get down as far as you possibly can. Right now, I bottom out at the bottom, so I would most likely want to raise up onto a raised surface while I find a way to prop my toes up. Or I could go snatch grip, right, so that I'm able to still get down here without bottoming out. Then roll back up. So you want this nice and slow, tuck the chin, go on down, roll that spine all the way down, trying to get down as far as you possibly can, and then rolling yourself back up. Okay? Guys, work through there 10 to 15 reps. Doesn't have to be super heavy. We want nice, controlled range of motion. Start with a 5-pound plate. 10-pound plate, once you build up the tolerance, you can work up a little bit heavier. But the goal is mobility, not necessarily maximal loading. So, guys, give this a go. Work on improving that forward flexion. Help fix that back pain. Help fix those tight hamstrings. And tune in tomorrow because we're going to have another awesome one for you. So, guys, thanks for joining us today. I'm Dr. Tank. I'll see you then.